Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky, and today what we're going to be doing is talking a little bit more about Instagram. So if you watched the last video, I will put it just up here so you guys can see. We were talking about Instagram and looking at the bio and what type of link to use and going through Linktree. So have a look at that video, and that explains how to do it and what it looks like. But today what we're going to do is have a look at insights. So insights gives you a good general feel of how your Instagram profile is doing. So it'll look at the posts you've done, how many followers you've got, how that's increased, and the impressions there as well. So the way to look at this, if you go onto your profile and then at the top right hand corner, have a look up at the screen. There's a little box which has got 3 lines in it. If you press that one, it will then bring you a drop down menu and it will say insights. So click on that one and it will bring you a whole new screen up, and on that screen you will see the reach, the followers, and then your content then below. Click on accounts reached. What you'll find is you'll have the days of the week over the last 7 days. So it will show your impressions. So impressions are the times that it's come up onto other people's feeds and everything. Then you've got account activity, so whether you have had someone visit your profile or whether they've tapped on the website link as well. So that will tell you that all there. And then it moves on then to having your top posts and your top stories. Okay, if you click onto the top post, then what it will do is it will show all your different post content that you've put up, and at the top there'll be a drop down menu, so you can have it by reach, by comment, by likes, by followers, and it will just categorize it all for you. And then it will tell you if you want it in the last year, the last 7 days, the last 28 days, so then you can get a good feel with how much you are actually growing. If we go back to the insights screen, so if you go back one, we then have your content interactions. So what this means is it shows all of the likes, all of the comments then as well. So that does it within the week as well, so you can see all of that and how many of your story interactions have been seen, or people have commented or done something on those. So if you go back again, we then have total followers. So total followers, this will then show you how many people have started following you in the week, and it will also show you how many people have unfollowed you. So each day it will give you a total of overall, followed and unfollowed, so then you can keep a good system of what is happening. So if, say, one day it's gone up by like 20 people following you one day, you've probably done something really, really good that day, and that's what they've seen and liked. So that means you can then think about it a little bit more and probably do something more in that direction, because that's where your followers are going to come from. Whereas if you've done one thing and you've had no interaction at all, then possibly it's time to rethink what you're doing, because it could be what time you post or what tags you're using. So there's a lot that comes into Instagram, and we will be talking more through this. But I just wanted to go through a little bit of the insights today so you can get a general broad aspect of what is happening on your insight. You click onto total followers, along with telling you who is following you, who has unfollowed you. If you go down, it also tells you the top locations. So it will tell you locations in the country you're in, or you can change it over and press the countries tab and see where people are seeing you from other countries. So that'll put it into a percentage for you. So that gives you a nice range. But also some other things for marketing wise, it also breaks it down into the age range of people, gender they are. And then if you scroll right down to the bottom, what you've got is active times. Now this is super, super helpful. So with active times, this shows you when most of your people are online, and you can break this down then into hours and into days. So you can say how many people are on at what time. So that means you can put your post on when people are on the most time. So that's when they'll be going through, they'll be like, oh look, new post. I'll click on that one. That bit of information right at the bottom there, where you can see, you know, where people are coming on, where people are coming off, you can see then when you need to post. So I hope the insights has given you, well, a nice insight. I hope learning about the insights has given you a better idea of when to put your posts up and to see exactly who is looking at your posts as well. The insights are great for seeing how far you are growing. So it will show you your followers, how many people have liked your post or your comments as well. And you can manage your comments, and the more interaction you have with other people, the more interaction you will tend to get on your own Instagram as well. So have a think about that one. Quite a lot of people, what they tend to do is have about half an hour on Instagram before they post, because it shows you've been active, you've been communicating with other people, you've been liking, you've been commenting on other people's, and then when you put your post out, people are going to then see yours coming live, and then from there, if you stay online a little bit longer, you can then interact with the people on your post. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that one and learned a little bit more. So check out the other video. I'll leave that just in the link below for you so you can see what's happening there. And then tomorrow what we'll do is we'll have a look at the different posts as well. So we'll be back again tomorrow to have a look at some more Instagram insights and tips. So I hope you've enjoyed, and if you like this video, give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe below, and I will see you again soon. Bye!